Krizea. So I just dress up of Anna. So I just put my nail polish. So I make my hair look like Chelsea. So for Kay, so I don't know how to make my hair very big. And so I'm going to make snow cones again. So it's going to be very messy. So I'm going to make it very colorful. I got my different flavors here. I got vanilla banana. And I got cherry strawberry. And I got blueberry. And I got the green leaf. I got my flavors already. So I don't need some water bottle and Jerry June. So I'm just going to do my hands in my spoon, in my cover, in my cup, in my 2 cups, in my basket. So let's get started. First, thank you for watching